Hello, welcome to our channel, and today I want to do something that we not usually do on this channel. So I have a referencing list of reference, but these references are not complying or conforming to uh, any research based or anything that has to do with academics. Alright, so I want to fix this to conform to APA style, and then I'm just not going to take your time because it's going to be a do-it-yourself kind of thing instead of taking it to cafe all the time, so that they help you do it and all of that. You can do it yourself. So first, we need it to be Control A and take it to Times New Roman, and then we click on this justify here, or you press Control J. All right. Okay. Then next is we want it to conform to APA style. Alright, if they are not arranged alphabetically, you will come here under this place, you click on it, and then paragraphs, and then text, then you allow it to be ascending. It's going to allow all of those, so you just click on this, so all of it is going to ascend. But one of the things it has done, that it will take that referencing that is up there and take it to where there is R. So that is one thing. So when you are doing, you don't select the referencing, you create up to follow. So you see what I'm saying. So you take this because this is an R word, so it takes it up here, down to where the fellow R's are. Okay, so I'll paste this. So now I'm going to select this now, which is where I'm going to make it conform to the referencing style, the APA. Okay, so once I have this, have all of it selected, all you need to do is to just press Ctrl T, and then you see that everything has confirmed. I used to struggle with this, like for real. I used to struggle with this, that I have to take, sometimes I'll take it to my former work that someone have helped me arrange like this. I didn't know that it's just something that you can just do, and then it will get that done. So next is to see if it's conformed to this. Sometimes they will tell you to do 1 point this and all of that. So depending on what it is, so you just use any of them and you do that. So this becomes how you arrange your reference. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.